Alright.
Tina want to know, are you going to grad day? Are you going to Great America with the kids?
That good?
Why? You didn't
That's
want,
senior trip.
you didn't want to go?
That good,
Oh,
Orion?
I thought grad night was on the same night, so I was just basically misconception on my part.
So is it too late to pay for your grad night?
Grad night I already paid for.
I mean grad day.
No, that's not grad day. That's senior trip. Oh, I think it is.
Go
Orion.
ask her you can go with him. She said that's the day you don't have to come to school.
Orion.
Oh, okay.
Because our seniors going to be gone.
Orion.
Okay.
And you ordered a cap and gown?
They said we get it on senior sunset.
Uh-huh.
That still hasn't happened yet.
Orion. Say hi.
I can see, but I think it's pretty much too late.
We'll find out. I'm going to give you the stick just a minute. Try to put it up your mouth. Try to put it up your mouth. Try to put it up to your mouth. Hey, that's it right there. Hey, mommy over here. Mommy over here. Hey, mommy over here. Hey, hey, mommy over here. Mr. Bobby over here. And he tried to do the rap to the doop doop boop. 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 He said, Granny, you so funny, Granny. That's the rap, Mr. Boop. Boop. Boop, to the boop, to the boop, boop, boop. Hey, Ryan over here, there's the Granny over here. Sit up, boy. I want hey, so this is the day that the Lord has made. This is my mommy's first Mother's Day. Well, sit up here.
This is
Yeah, it's the first. Whoa, buddy boy,
I
whoa.
will rejoice.
Yes, to the back.
I
Yeah.
will
But you know where you sit him in the game chairs? He love there. You want to stand up or you want to stand up? Stand up.
This is the day. This is the
Stand up, lazy. Stand up, lazy bones. Lazy bones, will you stand up? What you want to do the jump? Do the jump. Do the jump. Do the jump.